Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to go through a brief rundown of my new 2025 Type R with all the mods, including the Prl Intercooler, the front lip. I have the Prl Inlet pipe right here, the Plm Downpipe, painted the cover black so it could match the rest of the car, the high volume intake Prl, and also I took this off for more airflow. Just a quick rundown, I have BC coilovers on it as well, running the stock wheels with 30mm spacers all the way around, the window visors as well. Also have the Resonator lead as well on both resonators, and a full straight pipe. Active flow, kept the valve open, but just quick rundown on my car right here. Pushes a lot more power than what it was. Definitely recommend it for upgrades. So you guys can hear the sounds. I do recommend you guys get the module if you guys drop your car at Coilovers, because it will throw a code. But other than that, you can't change it to track mode or anything like that. Let the car warm up. With the intercooler, it does come out a lot cooler on the intake air temp. I'll show you guys a little point of view driving. Alright guys, this is a little pool, how it actually sounds. It's a minor pool. It does very well. All the upgrades. My car is a little bit low, so gotta go to angle. As you can hear it, sounds very good. Do a little pull around the block, guys. As you can see, these minor upgrades help out a ton on the pool. Show you guys in here too, in the little pool. Keep in mind, it's on sport mode only. Can't go on track yet. Gotta get the modules for it. That'll be in the upcoming videos. But with all the mods, I had no check engine light, which is a good thing. Nothing came out on the check engine light portion, which is pretty cool. A little slight pull for you guys. As you can see, intake temps are very low. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll show you guys more in a little bit more when I put more upgrades in this vehicle.